Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace silica gel in transformer. Begin by isolating the transformer and discharging stored energy before opening the breather. Walk through removing the breather cap, inspecting the desiccant, and selecting the correct replacement grade. I will explain how to measure moisture content, choose between indicates and non-indicates gel, and safely reinstall the breather while maintaining cleanliness. Gather tools and materials before you start to save time and reduce contamination risk. Prepare clean tools, screwdriver, torque wrench, funnel, and a vacuum bladder if possible. Choose the right silica gel type with indicating dye compatible with your transformer breather. Have a lint-free cloth and a temporary sealed container to keep the new gel dry. Lay out PPE and labels so you can work methodically and safely. Step through the replacement carefully to avoid introducing moisture. Remove the breather cap and empty old silica gel into a sealed waste bag, then inspect and clean the chamber. Pour new gel slowly, avoiding spills, and fill to the manufacturer level mark. Reattach the breather with proper torque and verify the indicator color if present. Finish by checking for leaks and documenting the date and gel batch used for records.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.